Well, in this video, I will show you how to draw free body diagrams on an object and in order to analyze the motion of it. Well, you can actually try this experiment at home. Prepare a water bottle and then place a cardboard on it and then place a random object on it. And this random object, it should be small enough for this experiment. Oh, and the next task is that you use your finger to remove the cardboard in between suddenly, quickly, and to see what will happen to the object you place it on the top. And here is part of the result. What I use is a green cap. After I remove the cardboard, then it will fall down into this bottle. Why? Oh, and secondly, is that again find a random object and then by use a rubber band on one of the sides, and then on the other side you use your fingers to hold it and keep it at rest, and then release your finger maybe in this diagram on the right hand side. What will happen to this box? Oh, and then thirdly, you can use two rubber bands with a random object, and then you try to lift it up by these two rubber bands. And what I want you to observe is the angle of the two rubber bands. Can you make these two rubber bands horizontal? Oh, let's move to the next part. It's the discussion of how to draw a free body diagram. According to the Newton's first law of motion, if there is no net force acting on an object, it will remain its original motion state. That means if originally it is at rest, then it will remain at rest. If it is originally moved in a certain direction in a certain speed, then it will also keep this speed and also its direction of motion. That is, it will not speed up, or it will not slow down, or it will not change the direction of motion. 中文叫咩呢？靜者行靜，動者常動。Oh, how to draw the free body diagram of an object? And I think you need to know two things first. First of all is that how to represent a force in science. You use arrow to represent this force when you are drawing the free body diagram. And the use of the arrow is, first of all, show the direction of the force. And secondly, the longer the arrow you draw, then the stronger the force is. And then third is that the arrow should start from a position in which the force starts from. And I will illustrate it later.